and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 65, as you can see there. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, as always, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, guys. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And of course, as I said before guys, this is the number 65. If you would like to see the previous 64, you guys know all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well guys, moseying on down, we can see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. This is the end goal, ladies and gentlemen. Can't wait to reach this with you guys. And of course guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, which, as you guys may or may not know, is the same company which makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing those, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And well, let's go ahead and let's open this up. And here it talks about sewing shops. And that's really cool, the sewing machine here, the old sewing machine with patterns and bits of fabric. That's pretty cool. Oh, it really looks nice. Look at all the old sewing machines. This one is cool. And here on the side, it shows you point for point all of the different pieces in the room that we see here. Well, let's continue on. And here it just continues talking about the sewing room. And here guys, it teaches you how to make decorative plates for your dollhouse. It shows you all of the materials that you'll need, as well as the tools that you'll need to do it. And then as you mosey on down here, you can see that it walks you through step by step of how to do it. Let me just turn the page here. But as I always say with this collection, guys, once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do each one of these steps and we will build the dollhouse together. I really look forward to doing it, guys. So make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it talks more about sewing during the Victorian age. And here it talks about the vote in Australia. Tell me, guys, do I have any Australians watching? Tell me down in the comments below. Well, let's turn the page here. And here we see the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection, as I said before, is from editorial Salvat. So let's just flip this right round. And now it's time to see our new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so first up we have this little wooden stick, which will be for the dollhouse. Let me just get it in focus. So the larger piece would go here, would be glued in there. See all around, this side too. Sorry, that doesn't want to be in focus. There we go. And then it's just flat all the way around. There's only a groove on the one side. And well guys, now it's time to check out our brand new broom. So let's go ahead and let's unbox that now. I'm just gonna put this to the side. And okay guys, so we have this little broom in a Ziploc. Let's just open this up. Okay. Here it is. It looks a bit like a witch's broom, kinda. And it's kinda sad. It seems like it got a bit destroyed here, but maybe with some trimming it can look a bit better. These are really, I mean, other than the fact that these bristles are like a bit more stuck out, it looks pretty cool. I think maybe, like I say, with a bit of trimming on this side, I think we could make this look pretty decent. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? And for those of you who are unboxing this collection, did your broom come looking like this? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing what you guys think.
And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I have the links to all of my social media, my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all linked down in the description below, as I said before. So make sure to go on over and follow me on those. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast Extraordinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links, as always, down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.